Okay, in this screencast, I am just showing you real quickly how to use the template to log your personal property in case there's a fire or theft or something like that of your personal property and you have renter's insurance. So this template that we're looking at right here is the the downloaded version in Excel format. You can within Excel you can do whatever you want here. I have these I have these rows set up rather large, along with the letters or the words. Sorry, the font being rather large as well, with the idea that you would actually print this up and and fill it out by hand and then come back and actually type the stuff in. If you don't want to do that, if you just want to type it in yourself, you can make whatever changes in Excel you want. You can add rows or do whatever you like. Um, Change the font. Make it smaller. Oops, wrong button. Or make it larger, whatever you want to do. Um, so that's the Excel template again. I mean, you can fill this out. The description is meant to be a description of the personal property itself. The way that I show you on the site and the way that I like to do it is I like to have a short description, a colon, and then any pertinent details. For instance, I might say if I have a MacBook Pro at home, I might say MacBook Pro, and then I'll give some sort of information about it. Maybe it has 4 gigabytes of RAM, 160 gigabyte SSD or something like that. Or maybe you have a TV, so I might just say TV, flat panel, internet connected, Samsung, something like that, right? Those pertinent details. Purchase price. This is the price that you've actually purchased it for, and that you would show on the receipt. If you want, you can also change this to value. Geico, for instance, has on their website a personal property value estimator, like a calculator for it. So you can put in, I think, I don't know, like let's say the TV and how old it is, and it will tell you the or calculate for you the value that it thinks would be associated with that TV as of today's date. As I understand it, that's how it works. The purchase date, this just helps you remember when you bought it. I would recommend filling this out when you first get something. So the day that I go and get my MacBook Pro, I'm going to come in here. I'm going to say, here's what I purchased it for. Here's the day that I purchased it today. I do have a receipt, and I would take a snapshot of that receipt with my phone, and then I would put picture taken yes, because I would immediately take lots of pictures of it, to prove that I had it and what condition it was in as of that date. So that's how you use this template. It's the same if you're using the other version. So the main version that's linked, this is the downloadable version of Excel. But if you don't have Excel, that's okay. I have a different version here that you can use. So if we open up on this version here, this is the Google Spreadsheets version that is on the main link of the site. It's the same document. You can actually go out here and do the same things, right? You can just fill out the spreadsheet, or rather print it up, right click and click print, and then walk throughout your home and document your items that you have in your home as far as personal property that are of high enough value that you would want to write down and capture in case there was a fire or a theft or something like that. So that's the Google Docs version in case you don't have Excel at home, and that basically wraps up how to use this template.